Alright, hop in. We're going to go down and see Gypsy Jewels for her birthday. It's going to be a fun trip down to Texas. Lots of adventure, some treasure hunting, some celebration stuff going on. And I'm glad to bring you guys right there along with me. I'm headed down from Kentucky, and once I get across this bridge, I will now be in Arkansas, so I'm getting closer. I had to record this little carnival over here for my friend Claudia to see. So all this traffic over there on the other side, that is because somebody's camper caught on fire. They were hauling a trailer of stuff behind them as well. The trailer did not catch fire, so they were able to keep it, just the camper. But oh man, that sucks. Who knows how far back they're I don't know, miles maybe, but I guess it just depends on how long it was there burning. But they're backed up for a bit. I did forget to mention that it's Halloween today. I will add that driving in Dallas is a feat all in itself. People are not very nice about letting you get over. Sorry if you're watching this and you're from there. It's just my interpretation from being down there, but it was a lot different than other places that I've been, and I figured it out. By the end of the trip, I was doing all right driving down there, but this first day, that's why the camera's a little shaky, because I'm definitely trying to pay attention to the road, but also trying to get some footage for you guys. Okay, just the walk here has got me sweaty. My makeup's coming off, but I'm so excited. Don't even know, these hills where all this stuff is ran down, and I already got a couple pieces of glass, nothing important, but put them in my bag. You all want to say hey? Say hi, wave. Hi. No, yeah. Hey. And then they may introduce themselves here in a minute, but you all know who this is. Right there is Gypsy. She's getting started, and we're gonna find some treasure. Okay, so Gypsy just found something that's a typical find for my channel, but not typical for most people. But show them what you got. It's so creepy.
Creepy Barbie doll. It's even got a bottle cap that's kind of attached itself. Looks like they took nail polish.
She's seen better days.
She's seen better days. But hey, I'm here with Hot Mess Fishing.
Sifting through some, good God, you could spend years here.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, really,
Oh, you know how many times they've been here before I was ever even here?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I sure. What is it? Oh, you okay? What is this thing? It's plastic or something.
Like a doll bed or something.
Oh, cool.
Okay, you can
Gotcha.
do this. Oh man, my ears were sticking out, weren't they?
Oh, I did not even notice that at all.
No, when she did it.
Oh.
I hate it when I do that too.
I did that because my ear was hurting and I forgot to put it back.
So this spoon says something on the back. I can't really tell. Allegheny maybe? I can't tell. Something. I'll have to look it up. Can't tell what it says. Looks like it says, I don't know. You all can probably see it better than I can. But the cool thing about it, check it out. I can get it to show up. Might have to clean it. I can't. I'm trying to get this to show and it's not. Oh, wait, this is working better. Piccadilly. Guess that's the last name. Heck yeah. Sweet. Look how pretty. So over here sitting down with Gypsy, and she got this. And if you look, there's a star on there.
A little button of some sort.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, scraping up in here, and exactly at the same time, Megan found something. We'll show hers first, and we're going to show mine. So she found part of a watch. It still has part of the hands on there.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. I don't think it's a Timex because it's not ticking anymore, but there you go. So, look what I found.
Oh my goodness.
Shut up.
It's a U.S. collar pin. Woo! Military. Hot freaking dog. All right.
Wow.
We're going to keep digging here, scraping here, and see what else we can find.
Sweet.
We'll see you on the next.
I was excited about my watch. Wait a second. You always got to steal people's thunder.
I got my crappy silverware.
All right. So scraping over in here, I just dug a weedy a while ago. What I look for again is the heavy, big pieces of metal and the small bits of metal. When you find one of those areas, you just keep scraping. And I just scraped it, and it's in my hand. And they haven't seen it. I'm pretty sure by looking at it. Now, we find a lot of silver coins out here, but we also find jewelry. And this looks like silver.
Hmm.
It looks like a bird of some sort. And I guarantee you that silver, I can, you know, when you know silver when
Yeah.
you see it, it looks like it might have been a pin or a pendant. I'm going to do this little shine a little here. Yeah, it's polishing up. Doesn't look like much, but it's definitely got, oh, you know what? I think it's a bee. It had stones in it at one time.
Oh, it does look like a bee. That's cool.
That's cool. Little piece of probably sterling silver. I'll get it cleaned up and get some photos for you. Cool find.
Good
See you
job.
on the next.
Okay, so we found they have found 6 or 7 coins, and it's been my goal all day. It was like, please just let me find one. And so I got this. I have to see if we're able to clean it up enough to figure out what it is. But
That's why it's called the Money Creek.
yep, Money Creek paid off again. But I finally got one. Not sure if it's a button or a coin, We'll have to clean it up later. Pretty excited about it, whatever it is. All right, let's keep looking. The night before, we only watched karaoke, and on this night, we actually got up and sang karaoke. We had so much fun. I mean, obviously, we had a lot of fun out there in the dump. Like, Money Creek was amazing, but this was a lot of fun too in a different way. I had the pleasure of making new friends and also getting to see one that I met last year during the birthday bash and got to know a little bit better this year, so that was a good time. And now, unfortunately, you will see that not everyone was having quite as good of a night as we were having. There was a parking lot across the road, and the parking lot did not access any other lot, so you had to either back out of there or do a 3-point turn. This girl here that's in the Jeep, she decided that she was going to do the 3-point turn, and it didn't go very well for her. You're going to see the damage up close here in just a minute, but this was during the time period that the police officers were talking to her before they ended up taking her away. It became a really bad, really expensive night for her. So what you're seeing here is when she first backed up to do the 3-point turn, she hit this vehicle, which pushed it into the building behind there. So it did damage the wall of the building back there. And then I believe her vehicle got stuck on this one because they said she really was pushing the gas down at this point. I'm thinking maybe to get off of that vehicle, or maybe she was just intoxicated. I'm not sure. But after she hit this one and knocked it into the building, she hits her gas and she hits 3 vehicles in front of her. One had already left the scene, but the other 3 people, they were not even aware of this. Those people are still at the bar and have no clue what they're about to walk out and find. The gray one there, she knocked it into a light pole. And then the white one, she did the most damage to. She hit it, and then she knocks it into this fence in front of her, and it damages the fence as well. She wrecked 3 vehicles into something else, so she did front and back damage to 3 cars. The other vehicle, there was, I think, a flat tire and some other damage that was in the front and side of it. And imagine putting in my car like that.
So good.
Part 2 is coming soon, and I'll be adding Patty D to the mix, and so she's going to go treasure hunting with us tomorrow, and I can't wait to share that video with you all as well. Just wanted to thank you, Gypsy, for letting me hang out and taking me treasure hunting, and I had a really good time, and there's more for everybody to see coming up soon, and I'll try to do some stuff with wrap up or something so you can see some more of the finds that I got. I hope you have all enjoyed tagging along for this little celebration. I hope Gypsy had an amazing birthday. I had such a good time, and I got some really good finds, and I had amazing company to spend the days treasure hunting with, and thank you again.